So what's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to farm banana application in order to be eligible for the banana airdrop. So there are four simple steps to be eligible for the banana airdrop. Number one is you need to go to the banana air bot section, and once you're in the bot section all you have to do is to play this game. So once you're in the game, all you have to do is to tap on the banana icon to earn more peel. As you guys can see that I'm doing so to earn more peel over here. So if you tap on the share button on the top right corner, you will see that you can harvest your banana by doing it. So the next step is sharing the application with your friends. So that is one step in order to get eligible for the airdrop. So earn more peels by completing social tasks on the task page. So here's the task page, and you will see different sort of tasks over here. All you have to do is to complete those tasks in order to get more peels. So once you have more peels, you will be eligible for the airdrop. So number four step is recommend this application to your friends. For example, when you tap on friends option, you will see that you will be able to send it to your friend by affiliate link. So the affiliate link I will share the affiliate link in the bio. Make sure that if you don't know how to open the banana bot in the telegram, you just need to click on that link and the bot will be open. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.